Let's explore HTML paragraphs. In this video, you will learn how to create paragraphs and control text flow in web documents. So let's begin. The paragraph element is one of the most fundamental building blocks in HTML for organizing text content. Paragraphs are defined using the less than p greater than tag. It creates a block of text with space before and after. Browsers automatically add margins. Paragraphs are essential for structuring readable content. Here's the code. You can see the less than p greater than tag is used. Inside the tag we write, "This is a paragraph." It contains a block of text that is separated from other elements with space above and below. We close the tag with a less than /p greater than tag. Another paragraph less than p greater than. This is another paragraph. Notice how browsers automatically add space between paragraphs. Then we close the tag with less than /p greater than. Now let's understand paragraph formatting. Paragraphs are block-level elements that automatically start on a new line and take up the full width available. Browsers automatically collapse multiple spaces and line breaks within paragraphs into a single space. To force a line break within a paragraph, use the less than br greater than tag. Now let's look at the code. Here, the first line says, less than p greater than. This is a paragraph with default formatting. Then we close the tag using less than /p greater than. The next line is a comment. Less than exclamation mark hyphen hyphen white space example hyphen hyphen greater than. The next line says, less than p greater than. This paragraph has multiple spaces and line breaks that will be collapsed. Then we close the tag using less than /p greater than. The next line is another comment. Less than exclamation mark hyphen hyphen line break example hyphen hyphen greater than. The next line is less than p greater than. This paragraph contains less than br greater than a forced line break. Then we close the tag using less than /p greater than. Let's explore styling paragraphs with cascading style sheets, or CSS. CSS provides powerful tools to control the appearance and layout of paragraphs, allowing you to customize text presentation. Some common CSS properties for paragraphs are text align, line height, text indent, margin, padding, font family, font size, and color. Now let's look at the code. The first line says, p, then open curly brace. The next line says font family Arial sans hyphen serif semicolon. The next line says font size 18 pixels semicolon. The next line says line height 1.6 semicolon. The next line says text align justify semicolon. The next line says margin bottom 20 pixels semicolon. The next line says text indent 30 pixels semicolon. The next line says color #333333 semicolon. Close curly brace. The next line says intro hyphen paragraph open curly brace. The next line says font weight bold semicolon. The next line says font size 20 pixels semicolon. Close curly brace. Now let's understand text alignment in paragraphs. We will explore with examples. The first example is left alignment, which is the default. Text aligns to the left margin. The second example is center alignment. Text centers between margins. The third example is right alignment. Text aligns to the right margin. The fourth example is justify alignment. Text spreads to align with both margins. Now let's look at the code. P open curly brace. Text align left semicolon close curly brace. Text hyphen align hyphen center, open curly brace. Text align center semicolon, close curly brace. Text hyphen align hyphen right, open curly brace. Text align right semicolon, close curly brace. Text hyphen align hyphen justify open curly brace. Text align justify semicolon, close curly brace. Now let's talk about controlling text spacing. Proper spacing improves readability and visual appeal of paragraphs. CSS provides several properties to control text spacing. Line height increases space between lines. Text indentation indents the first line of the paragraph. Here is the code. Normal hyphen paragraph, open curly brace, line height colon 1.5 semicolon, margin bottom colon 20 pixels semicolon, close curly brace. Increased hyphen line hyphen height, open curly brace, line height colon 2 semicolon, close curly brace. Indented hyphen paragraph, open curly brace, text indent colon 50 pixels semicolon, close curly brace. Letter hyphen spacing, open curly brace, letter spacing colon 2 pixels semicolon, close curly brace. Word hyphen spacing, open curly brace, word spacing colon 10 pixels semicolon, close curly brace. Let's look at the best practices for paragraphs. Following these best practices will help create more readable and accessible content. Few of the readability guidelines are: keep paragraphs concise with 3 to 5 sentences. Use sufficient line height of 1.5 to 1.6. Maintain consistent alignment. Use proper contrast for text. Break complex ideas into multiple paragraphs. A well-formatted example is shown in the preview. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. HTML paragraphs are essential for structuring content and improving readability. With proper styling and formatting, you can create engaging and accessible text content. Use the less than p greater than element to create structured, readable content blocks. Apply CSS to control alignment, spacing, and visual presentation. Maintain proper line height and paragraph length for readability. Follow best practices for accessible, user-friendly content. Next topic will be HTML lists and text formatting. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.